In this video, I'm going to explain symbolism and some of the symbols that we have in everyday life. So as you can see from the definition on the screen, a symbol is an object that represents something else. It usually has some deeper and significant meaning. So it's literally one thing, but everyone in a culture accepts that symbol generally and automatically thinks it means this other thing, usually some large concept like love or hate or war or peace or independence, things like that. So on this ring, one of the things we can see quite a few, I've included a variety of symbols. So let's start with this red shape. Now, we know that it's a heart, and then it looks like it's split in half. We know that this symbol is a broken heart. And we know this is a symbol of being brokenhearted, of losing love, of breaking up. It's just that in our society, we have decided that this red shape right here, it means love. And that breaking it in half means a broken heart, not a literal broken heart like a heart attack, but being upset, a broken relationship. That's a symbol. Just the shape has a deeper meaning of broken relationship. Up here, we have some rings. We've got two hands with some shiny rings on them. Now, I'm sure you all know that means marriage. It's a symbol of marriage, of unity. Now, I'm not going to go into the whole history of wedding rings, but as a society, we have decided that those rings on your finger are a symbol of marriage, of devotion. That's a concept. Devotion is a concept. A wedding ring is the thing that represents that concept of love or devotion. Over here, we've got a bald eagle. It is a bird. It is a bird of prey. It dives down deep and catches salmon out of a stream. It soars high. It's an independent bird. Now, we know this is a symbol of the United States. Now, the question is, why was it chosen as a symbol? Does it just represent the United States or qualities that we think of when we think United States? You wouldn't keep an eagle in a cage. It's not like a parrot. It doesn't mock things. It doesn't mimic speech. It's not a tiny little bird that is a decoration. It's a very fiercely independent bird. And I think that is one reason it was chosen to represent this country. Independence. Soaring high expectations. And it's also kind of fierce. An eagle is actually kind of scary. So you choose it as a symbol of your country because you want enemy nations who might attack to be warned. Hey, we're independent, we're fierce. But going to a very negative symbol, right here, we have some squiggly black lines. Now, I know that you know that it's a swastika. When you see it, this symbol might be very offensive to you. That's good. It should be offensive to you. The swastika in our society is a symbol of hatred, of maybe just hatred of Jewish people, maybe just hatred in general of any minority group or hatred of everyone. Now, I want to bring up the fact that symbols can change or mean different things in different cultures. 100 years ago, that was not a symbol of hate. It was a symbol of spiritual concepts like balance. It was a Native American symbol. It was a Hindu symbol. But the Nazi Party changed the meaning of that symbol. And so now we see it and we think hatred. And so it's really a symbol is based on the context. It's based on how it's been used by many people. So it might not just be used once. So in a book, if you've got a symbol, it might be something that shows up again and again and again. So something that's used over and over, a lot of times that's a symbol. Going to a positive one, we have a dove. Now, not the same as this eagle. A dove is quieter, perches up in power lines, just a little bird. Some say it mates for life. You may have a lot of things that this symbolizes, and it depends really on your background. To some, it may represent peace